Hello, this is another one describing and interpreting cyclic events based on our learning objectives. We look at this, how can we solve how can we solve modulus when you are given a cyclic event? Let's look at the question. I prepared a question for you. Now they said the short hand of a clock points to 5 on a clock face. This is the clock face. You can see my clock. It looks beautiful, right? Okay, no problem. What number does it point to after 30 hours? So how are you going to solve this? Now you can critically think of this by say 5, 1, 2, 3, something like that. But this is that's why you have modulus. So why don't they go stress and lot of trouble? You can do this very easy. Now you know it's 30 hours. You know this is hours now. This one is hours. So let's say the point to 5, then moving what? Moving 30 hours. This is what you're going to do. So you're going to write, you know, it's 30 hours. So let me change my marker. Sorry. So let me change my marker here. So this will be what? This will be white. So what you're going to do is that, you know, this is 5. You add this 5, you add it to 30. So it's going to have, you're going to have 5, because of 5 here, plus, you know, you are moving 30 hours. 30 what? 30 hours. Now there are rules that guide addition and what? And subtraction of what? Of cyclic events. Let's look at the rules together. Now the rule states that, now let me go to the rules. This is the note here. I will attach this note to this particular course so that you can, oh, let me check. Hey, I didn't copy this. Oh, but there are rules now. So let me get the rules for you. Now the first rule states that, I don't want to write. The first rule that it states that, like, you can write, it says cyclic pattern in adding numbers, you must count in clockwise direction. It means when you are adding number in cyclic modulus, you have to go like this in clockwise. Let me write it here. So you have to go like this in clockwise direction when you are adding. When you are subtracting, this is adding, sorry. When you are subtracting, you go in what? You go in anti-clockwise direction. So to go like this, so it's anti-clockwise. This will be anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So this is what? Subtracting. When you subtract. So in subtract means, for example, okay, today let's say the point of the clock is 5 hours. On 30 hours ago, where does it point to? That's 30 hours ago. It means it's minus. You are going anti-clockwise. But this one is saying 30 hours, a point clock 5 on the clock face. What does it point to after 30 hours? This after means you had. Did you get that logic? I hope you get it. Now this is 35 now. This is what you're going to do now. 5 plus 30 is 35. Beautiful. 35 now. This 35 hours. Now you're going to divide this 35 by 5. By 12. Because the number in the clock is 12. There are 12 numbers, you can see, from 1 to 12. So you divide 35 by 12. That will be 35 divided by 12. When you divide 35 by 12, listen very well. Now, you will not divide this straightforward. I mean, some of the 7 point something. No. You are going to divide it by, how many 12 can we go in 35? It's going to go how many times? It's going to go 2 times, right? Yes, it's going 2 times. And 2 times 12, it means when you go in 2 times, it's 24. That's 35 minus what? Minus 24. So when you minus this is 1, Abi, this is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 11. Did you get it now? It will go what? It will go into what? It will go what? It will, when you divide 35 by 12, it is 2 remainder. We are using this remainder 11. So it means the shorthand will point to what? To 11 what? 11. This is what the answer will be. So this shorthand will point to what? Point 11. Do you understand? Starting from this 12, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 to what? To 11. So that is how it goes. So it means our answer is what? Is 11. Did you get that logic? Yeah, I hope you get it very well. You should get it. It's very simple. Now let's move on to the next one. Let's look at this together. Let's look at this together. Should I zoom it? Let me zoom this. Let me zoom in so that you can see it clearly. Now look at that. I said, if today is Thursday, what day of the week will it be in 40 days time? Now look at today now. I said today. This is what today is talking about. Hey, let me use another marker. Sorry. Let me use today. So this is what you're going to do now. Today is 7 days. You know, everything here is 7. Today is Thursday. Oh, sorry, Thursday, not Tuesday. Oh, my bad. Sorry for this. I'm sorry. I hope this will not affect. It's not easy, guys, but I'm here for you. Now, this Tuesday now. Now, Thursday, this is Thursday here. Thursday. Thursday, no problem. I hope you can see this. No problem. Now, Thursday now, except 40 days time. Now, 40 days time, how many days are in a week? We have 7. Everything here is 7. There are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are dividing 40 divided by 7. 40 divided by 7. Now, 40 divided by 7 is what? That is 7 times 5 is 35. That is 5. Remainder what? Remainder 5 what? 5 days. So it means 5. Is this remainder you're looking at? This remainder here. 5 days remaining. Now you now count. From Thursday, you now count 5. Start after Thursday, you count 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where will it stop now? What 40 days time you now have what? We have what? Let me change the marker so that you can see clearly. So we have what? We have Tuesday. This is what you have. So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your final answer will be what? Your final answer will be Tuesday. That is it. So you can count on your own. Check very well. You can see it's very easy. Instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, like I saying Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, have counting your hands. And that's how modular is very, very what? Very simple. So let's move on to the to our next class. Thank you very much.